this is Pooja and I'm an ACCA affiliate. Today we'll be talking about things you should do 2 weeks before your ACCA exam. Let's begin. The first point is that you practice adequate mocks on the practice platform. Ensure that you get these mocks checked either by yourself or a third party. There are also debriefs available on ACCA's YouTube channel to guide you through this. Point number 2 is to go through a few examiners' reports. Pay attention to the examiner's observations and comments and integrate these at practice level itself. These are usually helpful as the examiner points out where the students went wrong or where the students got it right. Point number 3 is focusing on professional marks. Every paper has a guidance on how to obtain these marks. Ensure that you pay attention to these and integrate these into your practice as well. Fourth point is that do not attempt to learn a new topic one day before the exam, since this tends to lead to information overload and a lot of confusions. You've already done the hard work. Focus on getting some rest, since it is equally important to ensure that you answer the questions with a composed mindset. That's all from my end. You got this. Thank you.